Well, it's sure nice to see some snow melt this afternoon, but we could be dipping into some overnight conditions that could be causing some dangerous driving weather for those out on the roads. For that, let's check in right away with meteorologist Robert Hahn for the very latest. Robert?
Yeah, a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Skycam, part of the Storm Team Skycam network. We did have some melting today. That is refrozen across the area, so take care as you head out and about. Any of that water slush you saw earlier, that has since refrozen, especially on those secondary roads and in those parking lots, sidewalks. So take care as you head out. About 24 degrees. It feels like 24 because winds are calm. A degree colder over in Moorhead, 23 degrees there. Temperatures elsewhere, 21 up in Langdon, 25 Devils Lake, 18 in Cavalier, 15 in Thief River Falls, and a 6 in Baudette, 7 in Bemidji. Winds out there on the light side, calm in many locations, but they'll pick up just a touch out of the south and southeast tonight, around 5 to 10 miles per hour with some occasional stronger gust of wind chills. Not a big deal with some mild temperatures and not a whole lot of wind out there. Wind chills as cold as 10 up into the Langdon area. Cloud cover thickest across the south, and underneath those clouds we do have a little bit of precipitation out there in the form of some snow, even mixed with a little bit of sleet and freezing rain. And there is some slick spots out here being reported by the North Dakota Road Report. Check the webcams in this area, not seeing a whole lot, but could see some slick spots and may see more redevelop across parts of extreme southeastern North Dakota into parts of west central Minnesota overnight tonight. So you could see a slick spot or two in these areas. That stretches all the way from parts of southern North Dakota into parts of central Minnesota. And again, far southern valley, the best chance for seeing some isolated slick spots. Powerful storm making its way on into the California coast. Some very heavy mountain snows. Could see several feet of snow and several inches of rain may cause some flooding problems in Southern California. That energy translates onto the other side of the Rockies as we head through the next 24 hours or so, and where the low forms and then tracks is going to play a big part in our weather. That in combination with an Arctic front making its way towards the south spells some snow for most of the area. How much snow we do get, well, that's still up in the air. Overnight tonight, there's that little area of some mixed precipitation in the far southern portions of the valley. Not going to amount to a lot, but it doesn't take a whole lot of freezing rain. Other than that, cloudy skies, some patchy fog. Some of that could be locally dense overnight tonight, and any of that fog that does form, that will freeze on area roadways. Maybe some sunshine for part of the day tomorrow, but then clouds will start to make their way back in later on in the day. And by tomorrow evening, increasing clouds and temperatures staying on the mild side in the 20s and the 30s. Here in Fargo, we'll start off the day in the upper teens. By lunchtime, already in the low 30s, and we'll stay in the low 30s with some southerly breezes by the end of the day. Picture of the day, it's a gorgeous one. Hoot Lake sunrise in Fergus Falls. Thanks to Jolene for sending that in. Going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast tomorrow. One more mild day, then the big changes. Snow and wind. Could be some significant travel problems as we head through the day on Wednesday into Wednesday night. And then the Arctic air moves in and it sticks around for quite a while. More snow possible on Friday, clearing out, but staying cold over the weekend.
Gosh, I just thought that those negative temperatures would just clear on out of here after this.
It's still January, but we'll get through it just like we got through the last one.
We will. Thanks, Robert.
You got it.